Welcome to the channel, friends. Today is Sunday and we are going to prepare chicken Cafreal with pickles, Goan authentic Cafreal masala. We also have wifey's Cafreal masala or the green masala that we regularly use anyway. So we have 800 grams of chicken. We also have with us onions to fry and potatoes to fry. We have a little bit of chili for the bazaar with the onions. We have tomatoes, a capsicum, coriander for garnish, salt and turmeric to add to the chicken. Now, what we're going to do first is fry the potatoes and put them aside. Alright, so this is the chicken. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. That's it. I'm also going to add to it some saffron, turmeric powder. We give it a mix and we leave it till we have finished frying the potatoes. Alright, so potatoes are done frying. I've added a little bit of onions to it. I'm now going to add red chillies, Kashmiri chillies. To that we are going to add onion rings, so we let this cook for 2 minutes, and to that we'll add the chicken. Alright, so onions are cooking well. What we'll do now is add all the chicken at once. Okay. To that I'm also going to add our green masala, wifey's green masala. I'm also going to add tomatoes. Give it a nice stir. I'm not promoting, it's just that we bought this from Goa. Might as well use it. But not going to add too much, just half the pack, because I don't know the spiciness of this masala. So there the Cafreal is already giving me that Goan vinegar hit. Alright friends, 25 minutes on slow. I mixed it once. Cafreal is done. It's not dry, so we like a little bit of gravy to go with some rice. But it is going to thicken up once I add the potatoes, which I'm going to do right now, and the capsicum. So let's go and add that, and I'll give it its last 5 minutes covered. Alright, so this is chicken Cafreal with a little bit of gravy. So let's serve ourselves. A Cafreal goes best by itself if it's dry, or with some nice pulao rice. Today this is a basmati pulao rice. Some chicken, some potato, some gravy and tomato, capsicum, and to top it off, coriander. So this is a chicken Cafreal with pulao recipe. I hope you liked the video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do subscribe and hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell if you want further notifications of the videos I put up again every day. So once again friends, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Until then, you take care and goodbye. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, let's take in everything. Of course, chicken. What about it? The chicken with the capsicum all together. Alright, this plate is mine.